Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you the latest way to make money online. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to make money with our YouTube faceless videos. So let me open YouTube. So here is a channel called as mojo.com. We can see here as mojo.com. So we can see mojo.com. So Mojo.com have approx like 25 million subscriber, and we can just open a social blade and just check their income also. I think so they earn up to uh 100k a month with this channel. This channel gives you like the top 5 top 10 things in our uh YouTube. So we can just paste their name here. We can see they earn approx like a 200k a month and 2.5 million a year. So they are estimates value. Okay, so they have approx like a 51 million views, and it is like a best channel. Okay, so here we can see it's mojo.com. So we can see here as videos option, we have here we have here as we can see here the top 10 worst part, the top 10 scariest movie. So to get this movie, like get this videos, so as you can see in 25 hours, sorry, so in 24 hours they have uploaded 5 videos. We can see here. So to make this video, we can just open our chat GPT. So let us take niche as our movie. So to in movie, we can just select as top 5 genre. So here we can just see action, drama, uh, thought, fantasy. So as you can see, there are the top 5 genres for the movies. So we can just see these are the genres. So we can just select the one genre and make the script according to that, and we can just upload a YouTube video by taking the clips of the movie and explaining the movie beginning. So the second method is affiliate marketing. When you made the channel and your channel is growing, you can just use as Digistore or ClickBank, and you can just go to your Digistore. As you can see, Digistore affiliate. So you can just promote the products. Like if you are watching a movie, you can just promote a book or a type of thing that people will buy through watching the movie. So as you can see here, I can just log in here with my ID. So you can just paste the link. If the people will buy, you will get a commission. You can just set the product with the high commission. So here we can see we have to just go to a marketplace, offer of the marketers. So here you can see 85% commission, 50% commission. They gives the more commission you sell the product. So you can just copy the link and make a bit link, and you can paste in your uh, description of your YouTube. So the third method is a YouTube thumbnail. So what is YouTube thumbnail? So YouTube thumbnail is the first impression that the viewer see on your YouTube. So from YouTube thumbnail you can easily earn. So you have to just make a seller account on your Fiverr, and you can just search as YouTube thumbnail to an analyze uh, the price and all the type of things. So as you can see here, as when we go down, so for level 1 seller, it's a starting seller. They took about like a $20 starting. They have sell approximately 66. Okay, 66 $20. Okay, the people don't give reviews. So let us assume I have taken $20. So let us take average of like a full we can see. So let us take an average of $40 in per order. So 40 into 66 is the order. So they have earned approximately $2,640, and one order is now in Concur also, as you can see here. So this is the best thing that you can do as a freelancer. Then let us move to the fourth, so stickers. So you can just create stickers using your Midjourney, your Canva. So you can just use Canva and use your creativity, and you can just make the stickers. So you can just sell this sticker on Redbubble. So you can just open as Redbubble. So Redbubble is a site that you can sell the online products, your designs. So here is our canvas, so you can just make a sticker from here and sell it on Redbubble. You can see the Redbubble, you can just sell. So here we can just see a sticker. So every sticker price is like a $2 to $3. So if any person will buy like $2, you will have a margin of at least $1 in each product. If you sell 1,000 sticker a month, you earn $1,000 for free. It's the process of one time, then it will sell automatically. Okay. So let us move to the scripter. So what is a scripter? Scripter is a person who write the script for the YouTube video or for the advertisement. So you can easily use your ChatGPT to write the script. So we can just go to a buying. So here we can see we have an option of here to search. We can just search as script writing. So here we can see there are only 8,000 people providing the script. So you can just see the online players, online sellers. So there are only 366 online seller, means the main competition is your 400 seller. Let us take 400 seller approx. And you can see these sellers are having many orders. The demand of the YouTube script and or other scripts are more. So here you can see they are charging up to $35, $10. So let us take, you are selling from $15, starting at $15, and you are having a much order with compared to them. So if you want to write a script, you go to Chat GPT, and here you can just write Chat GPT, write a script for YouTube on top 5 movies of 5-minute video. I just type like this for 4-minute video. So here you can see ChatGPT will give you the script, and you can just read and edit something that is needed, and then you can just sell this service on your Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancing.com. So let's move to the next is like launch jacking. So launch jacking is type of work where you have to just promote the new company product and they will give you commission. It is type of a uh, type of affiliate marketing. Okay. So here we will launch jacking. So here we can see, so we can just go to any site and we can just do a launch jacking. So here we can see launch jacking guide to make money. You can just read these articles also if you want to know in detail. So you can just see as what's launch jacking. So it is type of affiliate marketing for the new products. So you have to just target the products. For example, they're new in the market and I have launched a mouse. So I want to target the gamers and the office worker. So I will upload this my product in your launch jacking and my affiliate link. So if you are a earner there, you will just promote the site or the product from everywhere, and you will get the sales. When you will get the sales, I will give you a commission of approximately 20%, 30%, 40%, or anything that I providing you. So this is the launch jacking. You can just earn like a millions of dollars from here. So this is how you can just earn with the easiest way ever. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.